Hi there, my name is Eric Dam, and I am a computer engineering student from the University of Ottawa. Here I've created a League of Legends AI champ creator. Now what this is it is a React application which utilizes Next.js, in which it leverages the OpenAI's natural language processing API in conjunction with Stability.AI's image generation API. Now this application automates the dynamic generation of champion profiles through processing user input. So just to walk through the workflow of the application, the user would create a champion, then they'd be given the associated rules with the application. Now from here, all to summarize it, what you have to do is you have to create or you have to add distinct characteristics to your created champion. So for example, let's do this real quick. These are some previous test inputs I've done. We can do like turtle, turtle, maybe I'm thinking like an elemental turtle, maybe a fire turtle, wielding a staff in space. So just random words, and then it'll create an associated champion profile. Now, the champion profile will include the name, the lore, and also its abilities. So similar to how League of Legends profiles or League of Legends champions work, they would have four distinct abilities, and it will also have a passive. And in addition to that, a small tidbit about the lore of the champion. So now we'll just wait for the API to load in. So here we have the turtle, Xenon the Firestaff turtle, in which is a mage and it has its lore, and here we have the associated abilities according to this lore. Now, the delay between the information being sent to the API, it varies sometimes due to the API processing speed, so at times it'll be faster than others. But here, it'll generate the associated image of what this champion will look like. So, it is a mysterious being from the outer reaches of space, and it has a affinity for fire and a mysterious fire staff, so exactly what we wrote. So, from here, we can go ahead and try another one. Let's do like maybe a Tyrannosaurus Saurus Rex. Maybe it is a Tyrannosaurus Rex that has a sword, and maybe it has armor on it. Let's do that, and maybe it is from Piltover. Let's do that. So I've added a bunch of random words, and let's see what the API sends back. So here is a bit faster. Now we can see that it's taken the it's taken the angle that, oh, since it's from Piltover, maybe it's still a person, I guess, born to a noble family. So maybe it just took that Tyrannosaurus Rex as that name angle. So here we look. Oh, these are the associated abilities, and I guess I guess adding Piltover made it think it was human, but that's okay. So yeah, from here we can see that it creates the name, the class, what it looks like, a bit of lore, and also its passives and abilities. So from here, we can do just one more example. Let's do one last one. Let's do like Yordle. Let's make a Yordle who maybe an element, maybe like a lightning Yordle. No, that's just canon. Let's do a Yordle with let's see, space. No, it's Rumble. Oh, okay, okay. Let's just not do a Yordle actually. Let's do a fish who has a sword who fire, lightning, and let's do last one. Let's give it a color. Let's do like red. Yeah, let's do something random like red. So now we'll just wait for the API to return the information. Oh, here we have Finnblade, the legendary swordsman who trained in the art of swordplay. He's said to have been born from the depths of the sea, and his sword is made from the scales of a giant fish. And then we'll have the abilities, the QWER. For example, Finblade throws his red key forward, dealing magic damage to enemies in a cone and granting him and nearby allies a bonus to movement speed. So here we are. So here's what the champion would look like, and here is a champion profile. So this is my project for my application for Riot Games, and just to showcase, I guess, my passion for the company. So here I also added a little music bar because I've been really excited to watch Worlds. So I added the recent new song. So here we can play it if you want. The volume button. So the user would be able to play that while they're creating their champions. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and listening to this video, and have a great day.